Let's make this mini rose. Let's make a slip knot. After this, we will start making 15 chains. That is, yarn over and pull through the loop. Yarn over, pull. In this way, we will complete 15 chains. Now, let's skip 3 chains, and in the 4th chain, I will make 3 double crochet. Let's repeat this process of making 3 double crochet in all the remaining chains, and I will see you after completing 3 double crochet in all the chains. So after completing 3 double crochet in all the chains, I have got something that is curled up. So now I will cut the yarn and secure it. Start rolling the flower from inside. From the first double crochet that we had made, we will start rotating from there, and here we have got a mini rose. Now, just to keep all the layers together, I am using a needle according to the size of my yarn. You can also use tapestry needle or any big eye needle. A simple stitch to make it stay together. Don't pull too tight, as the shape of the rose can change. Once or twice, just make 2 or 3 stitches, and then we will tie it and secure it. Now you can use this rose for any of your hair accessories or for decoration. Thank you for watching my video. Like, share and subscribe for more such simple, easy beginner tutorials.